When I went to CB2 and Crate&Barrel, one of the employees told me about the Crate&Barrel CB2 outlet. So I'm going to take a look at what's in there, see if the prices are substantially different or if they're about the same in terms of discounts, and see what I can find for fall botanicals, stuff for the living room, and also to style my entryway. So let's go. I've been looking for a marble side table for the longest time, and I found one. This one was in great condition. There's one tiny little nick on the side, but it's not a big deal. I got this 20% off, and then they did an extra 10% off on top of that. The original price was like $349, I think, on CB2, and I got it for about $100 and something. These flowers are from the Abigail Ahern collaboration with Crate&Barrel, and I just love them. They look gorgeous in person. They feel amazing. I did see one tiny little like discoloration on one of the leaves, but when I went on the website, they are the exact same price on the website as the price was in the outlets. And these are actually on sale right now, especially the pink ones. They're discounted to $12 a stem. So this is how I ended up styling the coffee table. I put the marble table next to it, and I love how it looks. It's a gorgeous contrast. And then I put the stems inside of this vase. You can see the little discoloration here, which I'm probably going to end up having to fix. But yeah, this is how it looks. These I already had in my house. I just got another side table over here. I got this one from West Elm, and it's a part of the Monty Stone collection, which actually matches this coffee table. The colors are a little bit different because it's made from volcanic rock, so you're not going to get the same color variation, but I still love how it looks. And then I just kept my old glass bronze table back here. This is old from Pier 1, but this is how it's looking so far. In the back corner, I'm gonna get a plant to put back there. I'm thinking maybe a cactus. I really like the cactus options at CB2. I think it's just a different contrast, and I like the way that it just makes your home decor just pop. It gives a little extra spice, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you like it. I love it. I love how this looks.